A 100 rupee toy your grandmother would have laughed is now selling at rupees 5,000 to 18,000 rupees. Welcome to the Labubu economy and the wildest chapter in India's 75-year toy import saga. Let me take you back to 1947, a newly independent India where imports did not exist. Every toy that was there, the wooden elephants, bamboo flute was made locally. India was a closed economy due to the average tariffs exceeding 200% and the extensive quantitative restrictions on import. If you wanted a toy car in 1985, it was either handmade by a local carpenter or it did not exist. Ironically, India made world-class toys like the Chanpatna dolls, Rajasthani puppets, but they had them only within the borders. Here comes the greatest opening. The 1991 economy reform flipped the script. LPG. This reforms India's economy to global markets, foreign investments and privatization. Suddenly, Barbie doll wasn't just seen in American movies. She was also there in Spencer's Plaza in Chennai for 399 rupees. The toy aisle went global overnight. Next comes the import tsunami. China did not just enter India's market. By 2015, 80% of toys in Indian stores were screaming made in China. India once was an exporter, became fully dependent on import. Local makers crushed by the plastic wave. India hiked toy imports duties from 20% to 70%. The message was simple: make in India or pay up. But this triggered a twist. Mass imports became expensive, but the premium imports exploded. Labubu dolls are now resold in India for 5,000 to 18,000 rupees. We moved from no imports to mass imports to premium imports. This is just not about a toy history. It's a masterclass in how import policy can completely reshape consumers' behavior in one generation. Today, importers must pass through the rising duties, compliance, complexity, and shifting consumer demand. Platforms like Eximpe are becoming essential infrastructure for modern Indian importers. If you're someone in import-export business, try considering Eximpe for all your smooth transactions. We can help solve this for you.